Enhancing your network, a gateway to opportunities. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that resonates with both our personal and professional lives: enhancing the network. This phrase might sound technical at first, but it's all about improving and expanding the connections and relationships we have. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to understand more about how networks play a role in our lives, this video is for you. Let's unfold the meaning together and discover why it's so important. First, let's break down what we mean by network. In the simplest terms, a network refers to a group or system of interconnected people or things. This can be your social circle, professional contacts, or even the internet and telecommunications networks that keep us connected to the wider world. A strong network can open doors to new opportunities, provide support in times of need, and offer insights from diverse perspectives. Now, let's focus on what it means to enhance. To enhance something is to improve its quality, value, or extent. It's about making something better than it was before. When we apply this to the concept of a network, we're talking about actions that can strengthen and expand our connections, making them more valuable and beneficial for everyone involved. Enhancing the network is crucial for several reasons. Opportunity creation. A robust network can lead to job opportunities, collaborations, and partnerships that you might not have access to otherwise. Knowledge sharing. It enables the exchange of information, skills, and experiences, fostering learning and growth. Support system. In both personal and professional contexts, a strong network provides support, advice, and encouragement. Innovation and ideas. It stimulates innovation by bringing together diverse thoughts and ideas, driving creativity and problem-solving. Enhancing your network doesn't happen overnight. It requires effort and strategy. Here are some tips. Be active on social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook can help you connect with professionals and peers. Attend events, conferences, workshops, and seminars are great places to meet people with similar interests. Offer value. Sharing your knowledge and helping others without expecting anything in return can strengthen your relationships. Stay in touch. Regularly reaching out to your contacts keeps the relationship alive and shows you value them. Enhancing your network is about much more than just collecting contacts. It's about building meaningful relationships that can lead to mutual growth and opportunities. Remember, the key is to be genuine, offer value, and stay connected. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of enhancing your network and given you some practical tips to apply in your own life. Thank you for watching. And here's to building and nurturing a network that opens up a world of possibilities.